Transfer photos, videos from your iPhone to your laptop computer. First of all, connect your iPhone and your computer with your iPhone charging cable. Once you connect it, unlock your iPhone. Now, on your computer, open the File Explorer, and under this PC, here you see this Apple iPhone. Just open it. If you don't see this Apple iPhone, make sure to unlock your iPhone first of all. And open internal storage, and it will jump into your iPhone internal storage. Now just open the folder, which folder contains your photos. Now go ahead and select one or multiple pictures you want to share to your computer. Now just right click any of the selected items, and here you can cut or copy those items. In my case, I'm just copying these items from my iPhone. Now go to your computer storage, in which folder you want to store your iPhone files. Now just press Ctrl V, and your iPhone photos will be successfully transferred to your computer storage, just like this.